Okay, good evening, and I am going to welcome you for my new poem class, the poetry class, that is Plant Tree. Today we are going to discuss about the poem called Plant Tree, and it has been prescribed for English third language. Okay, now we are going to discuss this poem in detail. Okay, let me start with the first stanza. He who plants a tree, he that plants a tree, the person who plants a tree plants a hope. In other terms, he plants a hope. Rootless up through the fibers blindly group. First, whenever the plant is planted, it begins with roots. Okay. Now, and the roots fibers blindly group without any eyesight in the darkness. They group. They search for their place in the land. Leaf unfold into horizon free. Next, their leaves will grow. First, the roots will enter the earth and they will group. Later, the leaves will unfold into the new horizon, ranges free. Okay, now the leaves will started unfolding and they will reach the new horizons. So, man's life must climb. So, it teaches us that man should also grow like a tree. Okay, you can see here the fiber roots. Okay, now first roots are planted, are fixed in the earth, and next we see the leaves coming out into a new horizon from clouds of time, from the hips of time. Okay, from the clouds of time unto heaven sublime. Next it moves towards the heaven. Canst thou prophecy? Prophecy means predict. Though little tree, we can't predict the tree, what a glory of their boast shall be. Okay, now when it is very little, when the tree was very little, we can't guess that uh, the boss will reach the heaven. The boss will reach the heaven. In that manner, it will grow. No one can predict the tree when it is very little and it grows out into a big tree. Here you can look. First, it is very tender and the branches are very small. Then they start growing and they look as if they are touching the heaven, as if they are touching the heaven. He who plants a tree, in second stanza, the poet says that he who plants a tree plants a joy. According to him, one who plants a tree plants a joy, plants a comfort that will never cloy. Okay, he plants a comfort where it will not never stop or never clog. It will never stop. Okay, every day a fresh reality. Every day a fresh leaf will come out of the tree, beautiful and strong, and it grow into a beautiful and strong tree, to whose shelter throng, to its shelter, to its shelter throng means crowd, to whose shelter throng creatures bliss with song, and birds will start coming to it with a blissful song. Bliss means happiness. They started singing the happy songs. If thou couldn't but know, though happy tree, now the tree will become a very happy tree of the bless that shall inhabit thee. Now the happiness will live in that tree. The happiness will bless in that or inhabit in that tree. If you look at this picture, here the birds are coming to tree and they are blessed with happiness. They are blessed with happiness. He who plants a tree, he again continues in the third stanza. He says that he who plants a tree, one who plants a tree, actually he plants peace. Actually he plants peace. Under its green curtain, jargons means incomprehensible language. Okay, the air or the wind is telling him an incomprehensible language. Okay, that will not cease forever. That will not cease forever. Leaves and zephyrs murmur soothingly. They whisper. Leaf and zephyrs will murmur or speak or whisper in a soothing way. Shadows have stopped with the sleep, and now shadows will be covered with sleep. Down tired eyelids creep, now his eyelids will creep. Balm of slumber deep. Okay, now it seems as if the balm of slumber has been put on their foreheads. Never hasn't thou dreamed, though blessed tree. No one can dream that this is a blessed tree of the benediction, thou shalt be. Okay, look at this picture. The man is sleeping under the tree with tired eyelids. Okay. He who plants a tree, he plants a youth. The poet continues and says that he who one plants a tree, actually he plants youth. Vigor means strength, one for centuries. For many centuries, strength will increase in Soth. Okay, it will give relaxation. Life of time that hints eternity, bows their strength up rear. Then the bows will gain their strength. New shoots every year. Every year a new shoot will grow. Here you can look at the shoot. Each year a new shoot will grow. The old growths appear. Now the old growth appears on the new. Thou shalt teach the ages. Okay, it will teach the ages. Sturdy tree means strong tree. Youth of soul is immortal. Youth of soul is immortal. It is teaching that the youth of soul will always be immortal. He who plants a tree, he plants a hope. According to him, one who plants a tree, actually he plants a love. Tents of coolness spreading out above. Okay, if you look at this, the tents of coolness has been spread by that tree. Okay, wayfarers he may not live to see. Wayfarers means we all people may die one or the other day. Gifts that grow are the best. According to the poet, the gift that we take, if they grow every day, that will be the best. Hands that bless are the best. The hands that bless. Okay, the hands that bless us are the best, like that of trees and boughs. Okay, plant life does the rest. Heaven and earth help him. Okay, heaven and earth will help him who plants a tree, and his work its own reward shall be. And his work will be his own reward. Whatever work he does will be his own reward, and he will reach the heaven. This is the brief summary of the poem called The Plant Tree.